Hey guys, RJ here. So for today, I want to help you guys out with an issue you might be facing on Steam, and this is the error right here. Steam must be running to play this game. So usually this happens when a game you're trying to play or boot isn't really detecting Steam due to various reasons. So these reasons might be that there's a file blocking it, or maybe your firewall is blocking Steam. So we will help you guys out with that. So first off, what we want you to do is to make sure to exit Steam first. By doing that, just go to your taskbar here and just click on Exit Steam. And to make sure it's all closed, just go to your Task Manager. Look for any instances of Steam like this, Steam Client Web Helper, and pretty much anything related to Steam, and just end those tasks. So once you have done that on your end, let's go to your search bar, type in Windows Security, just open that up. Go to your Firewall and Network Protection here, and then click on Allow an app through Firewall. It will open this screen right here, and just look for Steam, maybe press S for it to go faster. So you can see here Steam is already in an exemption on my end, but if it doesn't appear on your end, just look for it. Make sure that both check marks are on, and if not, just click on Change Settings. Just tick those boxes there, and it should allow your Steam. And if you do not see Steam here, just click on Allow Another App, browse, and then you can look for your Steam. It's usually downloaded in the Program Files x86 section, but for me it's in Drive D here. So just click on Steam and you should see it here. Alright, once that is all good and done, you should just go to your game, for example this one. Go to your properties and then installed files, and then just verify the integrity of the game files of the game that you are trying to boot that isn't really working out. So what will happen here is that Steam will double check everything on the files. If there is missing files or any corrupted files, it will re-download it and help you out. After all of that is done, make sure to reset your computer as well, and it should work now. And if it doesn't, then make sure to comment and we will help you out. Have a good day ahead.